Hello friends. Someone asked me about the meaning of Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh, and also the meaning of Jo Bole So Nihal, Sat Sri Akal. So in my today's video, I shall try to explain what I know about these two. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh, and Jo Bole So Nihal Sat Sri Akal are the slogans given by Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Now, during the time of baptism, that is the Vaisakhi, April 13 of 1699, when in Anandpur Sahib, Guru Gobind Singh Ji had baptized 5 of his followers and had made them into Khalsas and had converted their names. He added Singh to their names. After having baptized them and after having rendered Amrit to them, now he also wanted to get himself baptized. Till that day, he was known as Guru Gobind Rai. So, after having baptized the Panch Pyaras, the 5 Khalsas, he requested them with folded hands and said, I have baptized you, now I would request you to baptize me too and convert me from Gobind Rai to Gobind Singh. Now, all the Panch Pyaras together, they baptized Guru Gobind Singh Ji and gave him Amrit. Now, after this event was over, one of the Panch Pyaras asked Guru Gobind Singh Ji that you have converted us into Khalsas and we all together have converted you into a Khalsa. Now, whose Khalsa are we going to be? The other followers who are going to come, whose Khalsas are they going to be? Will they be your Khalsas or our Khalsas? To this, Guru Gobind Singh Ji had said that they will be neither called my Khalsas or your Khalsas. They will be called the Lord's Khalsas, because you are not my Khalsas or I am not your Khalsa. We are the Khalsas of the Lord. The Khalsa belongs to the Lord, the one and the only Lord, Vaheguru. He said, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, and whatever victories the Khalsas will get will neither belong to me nor to you, but to him. So Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, the Fateh is victory. The Fateh also is Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. This is about Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh slogan. And Jo Bole So Nihal is also like, it's very simple. If you'll just repeat it twice or thrice, you will get the meaning, especially if you know Hindi. Jo Bole, whosoever says what? Jo Bole So Nihal. Whosoever says this will become blessed. निहाल हो जाएगा. जो बोलेगा वो निहाल हो जाएगा. क्या बोलेगा? Next question is Sat Sri Akal. One who will say Sat Sri Akal will be blessed, will feel blessed. What is the meaning of Sat Sri Akal? Sat Sri Akal. The Lord is the truth. Sat Sri Akal. The Akal is the truth, the ultimate. He was there before the universe came into existence. He is there. He will be there after the universe gets annihilated. आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच, नानक होसी भी सच. But this is what Guru Nanak had said, and this is what Guru Gobind Singh Ji is also saying. The same thing, the same thought process is going on. आद सच, आद यानी कि पहले से वो सच था परमात्मा. आद सच जुगाद सच, जुगो जुगो जितने जुग हो चुके हैं एक वही सच था. ही वॉज द परमानेंट, रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज ट्रांजिटरी. है भी सच. नाउ ऑल्सो everything around us is all transitory. He is permanent one. And Nanak hosi bhi sach. For Nanak, he only will ultimately be the truth. जो बोले सो निहाल, क्या बोले सत श्री अकाल. एंड वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.